What's up, guys? Today we took a little trip. It was my son's 16th birthday and we drove out to Commerce. And I was looking for some places to fly the Mavic. I didn't really see anything, so on the way back we came past the Mall of Georgia and I looked over and saw this waterfall slash dam area, which I thought was really pretty, and I decided to get some video of it. The first thing I noticed when I tried to start recording was my SD card was full, and I was like, oh great, so I had to go delete some stuff in order to take this video. But I thought this was really pretty and I wanted to get some shots of it, and I'm filming style none and regular auto white balance, I do believe, and I'm not in tripod mode or anything, so I'm just trying to go slowly across this without being too jumpy with it and still get a good shot from it. But this is the first time I've been able to go and really film any moving water, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't even notice this big hole in there at first, but I'm gonna fly up closer to it so y'all can see it. I'm not sure what that hole was for. I don't know if this was an old mill or power station or what. You'll see at the end of the video that I go by this big giant wheel that's got gears on it, so I don't know what they use this for, but it looks cool, that's for sure. And apparently this is like a loverbird's corner because there were some other people around, and I was trying not to disturb them the best I could, but I see now why they go over there. It's really nice over there, just watching the waterfall. Slowly slide over to the left here. This is pretty wide and it has just certain areas where the water actually spills over, and it's all the way over on the right side where it actually comes in, goes over the rock, which is pretty cool. See, it goes way over there. I don't even know. I'm sure if it rained or something that water would be coming over really hard, and it probably wouldn't be as much fun to film, that's for sure. But today was a pretty nice day outside, so I didn't have any problems filming with it. I think I'm going to go back over by the water now. Kind of scary filming by water like that, so you got to make sure that you don't accidentally drop down in the water or the drone freaks out and starts flying away on you or something. But sometimes you just got to take risky shots. My son, that's my son up there at the top of the hill, gray shirt. He was watching the drone. I guess he wanted to see if it was going to crash. I'm going to back up here and pan down on the water coming down over the rocks. I'm going to actually upload this one to the 2.7K. I'm not going to downgrade this one to 1080p because I want to see how good it really looks on the big screen instead of downgrading this to 1080p. It'll be a big file, but it's only about 6 minutes long, so it shouldn't be too bad. I think it's like 1.5 gigs or something like that. And I think I'm about to pan over now to that wheel, and then maybe one of you guys in the comments can tell me what you think this place was or what it was used for. I may have to look it up. I know it's basically a park though. There's actually a sidewalk and park benches you can sit on and stuff. I don't know what it used to be though, is what I was trying to figure out. There's lots of trees around too, little twigs and branches sticking out. I had to be careful not to run the drone into them. I just knew I was going to wreck or crash. Stay right there and get a nice shot of the water coming down over the rocks. Now I'm going to back up and show you this wheel, which is pretty much where I took off from. It's rusted out, but you can see gears on one side. I don't know. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate y'all coming and tuning in. Sorry about that, and I guess I will catch you guys on the next one. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think this place is. Thanks, guys. Catch you later. Subscribe, like, comment.